twina amasiko ahire yo kushaboku obwabire nagambira abakazi abetabira omushomo gw'ekiro kimwe n'ekigendererwa cyo kwa abakazi obukugu okubasa kutungura business zabo kandi gutebenkanisibwe aba Federation of Small and Medium Sized Enterprises Uganda Archirigime Guest House omurkabare municipality.
Abantu abatine security nibasa kwijira mu registered groups ntubayeza sente kandi nanababine abakazi abatari aba individuals nko muntu ari kwenda kuja kwehora nawe tumuhereza kikari $200,000.
Abantu bona ntubatera hemishomo ntubashomesa aroni nkorisa ya aroni tuburi yoma kwija tubanza preparinga twamushomesa kukoresa aroni.
Irene Namasaba, project coordinator wa Federation of Small and Medium Sized Enterprises Uganda, nagira ngo batireho umushomogu okwenda kwikanisa abakazaba ngo nebitongore binje birabayambe kutungura projects ezibarukora.
We want them to accelerate their businesses in the following ways. One is formalization. One should be registered with URSB, either by the business name or the company, limited by shares or guarantee.
The program ya grow neje kuyamba munoho especially abakazi bakabari abo kuba umurkabari abantu abarukora kugira ngo amakagabeho fize ziboneke n'abakazi.
Babakazi abarukwegitoro mu kibine cya Kabare Women Agro Processing Association bashabire government n'ebitongore bindi okubaho biyambi babase kutandikaho cottage industry.
Turimo nitugezaho kukora nitukorero mu maka konka the infrastructures tiziri hamutindo gwa industries.
Omuganda makuru Minister w'byobwegeso mu ihanga Janet Kataha Museveni nashaba abashomeso kongera imishomo yabo baba bargabo kuganyirwa mu mirimo gwabo. Ebi bishomirwa mu butumwa bwe obushomirwa muzamiro mu kwatampora or Commissioner for Admission and Students Affairs amukoro go kujwe kabeji ogwi 12 Our National Teachers College NTC omurkabare.
The government of Uganda is undertaking major reforms in teacher education with the aim of revamping the teaching profession and improving the quality of teachers.
Abeje 2026 nibo bahirwa amabaruha gabo omubyo bwegese kandi omuhwezo wa Chancellor bwa Chambogo University Professor R Katunguka nungwa kurira omukorogu.
Have thirst for knowledge, continue upgrading your skills, get more skills, ICT skills, register for masters. Some of you have masters, register for your PhDs. So that you come from the bottom. The bottom is getting overcrowded.
We were able to implement the ministry policies and maintain where the facilities put in place by our good government. We are proud to present you because we believe that you are the potential assets to add value to the development of our country.
Bamwe abajwire borekero kwesima abo kwikabusinguzi.
Hati ni pora shemerira abo kugira ngo turaturizire munongo kandi turatire n'amasiko yo kugira ngo tuza kujwana. Mwenu risk kuyashoboye bakatwetera hero byo kujwara gahura nashemerera.
Anje nasomerwa munongo kushanga natandikira NTC ndio mushomesa wa CRE hamwe na historical nashemerwa kushanga na ka graduation nekintu kindindiro bwire burengwa ku rugo bunija covid katutabura twarabanamu.
Gasha kwa Abdul Karim Sengendo na Job Namanya.